Children, today we do prepositions activity.
Yes, ma'am.
You all are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand on the bench. Where you all are standing, children?
On the bench.
Now sit on the bench. Again stand on the bench. Sit on the bench. Put your pencils in the box. Now take your pencils outside the box. In the box. Now stand up. Come in between the benches. Come in between the benches. Where you are standing, children? Where you are standing?
In between the benches.
Between the benches. Go to your places. Anisha, where is Sana standing?
Behind Yojan.
Where you are standing?
Beside Yojan.
Okay. Yojan, where you are standing?
Near to the board.
Very good. Sana, where you are standing?
Behind the chair.
Put your pencils under the bench. Put your pencils in the box. Where you all are sitting?
On the bench.
Did you like the activity?
Yes.